Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Joanna Burton here again, and I am very excited, guys, to share with you my simple gift for my husband. And I know that he loves me to cook for him. It's been a while that I wasn't able to cook for him due to working so many hours or two jobs, and finally able to cook for him again. So I just want to share that with you guys. Hi everyone. I would like to share, guys, my gift to you that I received from my husband yesterday, and it's a surprise gift. And I really appreciate it though because I think I really need one. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, so I'm gonna open this, guys, and I'm really excited. Really excited. So, how did my husband surprise me? So, I just want to share that with you guys. So, my husband told me that we are going to the store. We're gonna go to Ross to purchase a wallet for him because his wallet is very old and ripped. And so, when we are there, he took me to the kitchen aisle and then he asked me to pick a set of the pots and pans. And I was so surprised. So, there you go, guys. My gift. So now with my new cooking tools, I am very excited to do more cooking adventures, to learn more recipe and things like that, and share that with you. And I would like to say thank you, guys, for all those who subscribe, and please, guys, share it to your friends and loved ones. And we are going to journey together in this blog. Thank you so much. God bless.